Hey guys, it's 6s-iPhone Learner here, and today I'll be teaching you how to do this. Okay, in order to do this, you gotta jailbreak your phone, your iPhone. So I'm on my iOS 7.0.4, and I'm gonna prove it to you guys right here. Okay, now you wanna go to Safari, then go to YouTube. Okay, and you gotta have Ifile, okay, installed. So just search for, let me see if okay, Daft Punk dial tweak iPhone. The files are not mine, so just go to this video, pause it, okay, and download this, okay, and especially I recommend you to use Safari, or else it won't download. Okay. Make sure to check out my other channels on how to jailbreak your PS3, how to install themes, recovery mode, all that good stuff. Make sure to share my video, subscribe, like if this helps you a lot. So because it will help me a lot, and you know I'm trying to. Whoops. Okay. Now, okay, open in Ifile. And since I already have this, I'm not gonna go through all of it, but I will make sure to give you like everything that you need. Okay, now you wanna click on this zip viewer. Okay, now you gotta click on this on all of the files. Make sure everything is 01 star pound 987, all the numbers. Now you can export it to your device. So extract those files, and I'm not gonna do that since I already have them. And I'm done. Okay, so now you're here, right? Let me see, bar mobile documents, and these are from here to the bottom are your sounds. Just hear it. Okay. Okay. Now, I recommend you to mail your original tones if you ever want to, like, if you don't want them anymore, if you get bored. And I'm not sure you how to get to those. Just go to System, Library, Audio, UI Sounds, and here you have them. Okay, here. Look. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 pounds star. Okay. Here you can see System, Library, Audio, UI Sounds. Okay, in order to email them, just click Edit, select all of them. Select all of them, and then email them, and you will have them. Okay, I really recommend you this. Alright, now go back to user documents. Okay, so now edit, select all this, the ones that you just downloaded after emailing your original ones. Alright, and then click here, copy. Okay, now go here, go back, all the way back, and go to System, Library, Audio, UI Sounds. Okay, now you're gonna click here, then here, and it's gonna ask you if you wanna paste them, like if you wanna cut them or paste them. Then paste them, and then it will say that it will overwrite the files if you wanna paste them, like if you wanna cut them or paste them. Then paste them, and then it will say that it will overwrite the files, and you're just gonna click on yes on every single one. Then after, I recommend you to springboard your or restart your iPhone by just going to Winterboard, then clicking. If you have a theme, just click this, and then go back, then respring. But I'm not gonna do that since I already have them here. And then you should be having this. And these files, like when you put them in your phone, they don't hear as much. I don't know. If there's a problem with the sounds, but it's a little bit low in volume, so it's pretty cool. I mean, you can still do it. Okay. So you just gotta need Ifile, and there's different ways to get a file for free. So just check another channel out. Just look for it, and that's it. Make sure to check out my other videos. Subscribe if this video helped you. If you get to do this, please send me a link to your video, just to give it a like and just say thank you. Okay, peace.